This is question 29 from the mid-semester. Might be a bit confusing to look at. There's a few pieces of information you needed to do this question, and they were scattered in 3 different parts, so that can easily lead you astray during the exam, and I got this one wrong too. So we were asked to find the mean time to failure for each pattern, the mean time to failure for each of those two, and the correct answer is given there. The information that we needed was above the table for pattern A and B, showing that it was a Weibull distribution, and those are the parameters. And then we also needed at the bottom of the previous page, that was easy to sneak past without seeing it, we needed that this gamma of 1.4 is equal to 0.887. And once you've got all that information, it's a relatively straightforward question. So the mean time to failure, the mean time to failure for a gamma distribution, for a Weibull distribution, is given by eta multiplied by the gamma function for 1 plus 1 over beta. So, okay, easy enough. Let's put it in for the two patterns that we've got. So MTTFA is equal to eta. So well, let's do B first because that was the easy one. Is equal to 1400 multiplied by the gamma function, can't draw the gamma, of 1 plus 1 over 1, which equals 2, which of course is equal to 1400 times 14,000 times, what's the gamma function of an integer? Well, it's the same thing as n minus 1 factorial. N minus 1 in this case being 1, so that's equal to 1, and the whole thing is just equal to 14,000. So that one was easy. Then we needed for A is equal to 14,500 times by the gamma function for 1 plus 1 over 2.5, which equals, well, I mean, if you type this 1 plus 1 over 2.5 into your calculator, what you'll find is that that's 1.4, and that's why you really needed this from the last page. So if you didn't spot that, you were really in trouble, because there is no simple way of calculating that gamma value. So you might have been looking around for a while. So what we actually needed is 14,500 multiplied by 0.887 times 0.887, which is 12,861.5. So 12,862 is given in the answer. So what does that tell us? The mean times to failure for A is 12,862, and the mean time for failure for B is 14,000. So we've been given B there. So I'm not going to explain the next one now, split into a separate video, but that one, you needed that piece of information to answer the next question as well in the mid-semester exam, so we'll have a look at that in the next video.